on behalf of the Directorate of Organization of our great party to welcome all of you to this history-making event. As a matter of fact, we are all gathered here today as a living testimony to the commencement of a new era in political administration in Nigeria, in our great party, the All Progressive Congress. This, for me, as the National Organizing Secretary, evokes a sense of pride and admiration for the National Chairman of our great party, His Excellency, Dr. Abdullahi Omar Ganduje, CON, who, with other members of the NWC, was at the forefront of conceiving what, in my view, is a great initiative, and also for leading from the front. I'm well aware that not a few people expressed their opinions on the impossibility of translating the vision of a digital membership register for a political party of our size, the biggest party in Africa, not only in Africa, in our country, because of the peculiar nature and the technological limitations of the rank and file of politicians across the country. But the national chairman, His Excellency, remained undaunted, refused to be discouraged, led from the front, encouraged, championed, shepherded the members of the NWC, and made us remain focused in making this dream of digitalizing our party membership register and sought his event, what we are doing here today. Indeed, I'm aware of the several meetings, sometimes very late in the night, and personally presided over by the national chairman of our party to review and to give direction to the making of Nigeria's first political party members digital register and online registration portal. Today, we celebrate the outcome of those meetings with the soon to commence training of trainers that has come from all over the country for hands-on guidance and practical coaching on how the membership registration process will come to be. I am certain the experience will be a worthy one for all of you who are here to be part of the trainer program. On this note, let me say that we are honored to have among us the Honorable Minister of Communication and Digital Economy and the Honorable Minister of Innovation, Science and Technology. Your presence here today on this occasion is indicative of your determination and our determination to leverage on technology for the good of all members, of our party members, and the Nigerian populace as part of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, once again, it is my great pleasure to welcome everyone, all of you, to this epoch important occasion. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
Took the bulls by the horn, and today it's a reality. Kudos to you, National Chairman. I consider this a rare privilege as I share in this history-making moment that marks the crystallization of the digitalization of the membership register of our great party, the All Progressives Congress. Before proceeding any further, let me first declare that as a people, and indeed as a community of progressives, we owe this historic moment to God and to our indefatigable national chairman, the great Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, CON, the innovative chairman, the chairman that we love. What we are doing today is in part the manifestation of the pet idea of the national chairman, who had declared as soon as he assumed the leadership of our great party that he was determined to ensure that our great party is driven by technology. Sir, while other parties are still wallowing in ancient ways of doing things, you made the All Progressives Congress to emerge as a true embodiment of contemporary thinking and ways of doing things. This is a true reflection of the renewed hope agenda of our dear President, His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. Now, for the first time in the political history of our great party, members of our party and those intending to join the party can go online, not only to just register their membership, but also print out their membership identity cards. The membership register is digitally generated, stored and referenceable by statistically significant demographics. I hope the English is not too big. This translates to mean that we are not just using technology to drive the membership register management of our party. We have actually established a formidable data generating platform for the use of the party at critical times like election, which will form the basis of extending the dividends of democracy to members of our party. National Chairman and distinguished ladies and gentlemen, honorable ministers, my colleagues in NWC, I can proudly announce that we are going to realize all this through the deployment of our own customized and branded APC digital app and portal, the first of its kind in Nigeria. As we get set to train those that will train other level of operators in the use of the app and portal, let me specially express my gratitude once more to the National Chairman, Dr. Umar Abdullahi Ganduje, CON, for availing me the opportunity to lead the committed and diligent members of the e-registration implementation committee that contributed to betting the APC app and portal. Your Excellency, the National Chairman, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me also congratulate today's trainees because of the opportunity they will have through this training to become conveyors of technology and related knowledge to other members of our great party across the country.
National Working Committee welcome our guests and participants attending this important Train the Trainer workshop on our party's e-membership registration. May I specifically acknowledge and welcome our two honorable ministers, Dr. Bosun Tijani and Chief Uchinachi, the honorable ministers for communications and digital economy, as well as that of innovations, science and technology, whose ministries are driving forces towards digitalization and technological development of our great country. You may wish to recall that during my inaugural speech in August 2023, I assured our party members that with my humble self as the national chairman of our great party, business is not going to be as usual. I specifically promised to initiate new programs and practices and policies that will further strengthen our party and enhance our status as truly a grassroots progressive political party. Such programs and policies include, among others, to revive our party offices at the ward, local government and state levels to be functionally throughout the year without necessarily waiting until during campaigns, elections. As we always say, all our offices must be physically habitable and functionally operational. This is a task that must be done. Secondly, to establish the Progressive Institute in order to facilitate the training of party members, promote the ideal of good governance, as well as to institutionalize progressive ideology. Thirdly, is to commence the process of e-registration of our members. Therefore, today, we are gathered here by the grace of God in fulfillment and accomplishment of our promise to start the process of digitalizing the membership of our great party. This is an attempt to a graphic idea of the total members of our party, their geographical spread, and democratic divisions and features. This process will not only drive the planning, decision-making, and projection process, but will serve as basis for reference for any member of our party seeking appointment at any level or desiring to contest an election. The app and portal on which the prospective trainees from the 36 states and FCT Abuja are expected to use will soon be reactivated so that the existing and new members can go online to register and join our party from any part of the world. Each person is expected to provide his or her biometric data, which must tally with the details captured in the National Identity Number, NIN. By so doing, any member whose name appears on the digital register shall be deemed to be true and faithful member of our great party. May I therefore appeal to our honorable ministers, who are basically stakeholders on this project, to kindly provide us with technical assistance towards achieving these laudable objectives. For our trainees, I would also like to appeal to you to please ensure that you learn from this program so that you go back to your respective states and impact same knowledge to those who will be engaged in this one important exercise. I must say this exercise is very important and dear to us. Therefore, we must strive to succeed. I'm also happy with the caliber of resource persons and the consultant carefully selected to do this exercise. These are prominent personalities who have the ability and capacity to provide theoretical and technological knowledge for this important exercise. Honorable ministers, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I would like to reaffirm my commitment to the ideals of our great party to set new standards and benchmarks in the nation's democratic sphere and ensure the sustenance and continuation of the APC government at all levels. I cannot conclude this address without acknowledging and thanking Honorable Emma Inekwel, the chairman of the E-Membership Registration Committee, and his members for putting this program together in order to foster the technological advancement of our beloved party. For your information, Honorable Ima is the Deputy Chairman, South. On this note, in the name of Allah, the most merciful and benevolent, I have the honor to formally declare this workshop open. Thank you and God bless. Thank you.